Welcome to our next Wandering Walks of Wonder tour. This time we're headed to Harrison, Arkansas. Harrison is a city and the county seat of Boone County, Arkansas. It was founded in 1869 by Union officer Marcus LaRue Harrison, who laid out the city along Crooked Creek at Stifler Springs. Harrison became the seat of the newly created Boone County in 1876. We begin our walk in the historic Courthouse Square district. The Boone County Courthouse was built in 1876. It's a two-story red brick building built in the Greek Revival style. Harrison grew rapidly in the late 19th century due to the construction of the Missouri and North Arkansas Railroad. This railroad connected Harrison to other major cities in the region. Harrison also became a popular tourist destination due to its location in the Ozark Mountains and its proximity to several natural attractions, including Bullshoes Lake and the White River. In the early 20th century, Harrison experienced a period of racial violence, including two white race riots in 1905 and 1909. These riots drove away many black residents and established Harrison as one of hundreds of sundown towns in the South. In the 1990s, Harrison gained national attention when the Knights of the Ku Klux Klan began holding rallies in the city. The Klan's presence sparked protest and counter-protest, and Harrison became a symbol of racial tension and violence in the United States. Today, Harrison is a city of about 13,000 people. It's still a popular tourist destination, and its location in the Ozark Mountains makes it a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and fishing. We're coming across a large mural here in downtown Harrison. This is called the West Rush Historic Mural. It's located just a block away or so from the downtown square. It depicts historic events and known characters from Harrison's past. The whole mural is about 280 feet long. You'll see scenes such as the tire shop scene from the original 555 Firestone shop, a wagon train scene which represents the migration of Boone County residents to Utah and eventually led to the Mountain Meadows Massacre. The scene with the wagons and mules represents the first Boone County settlers and the methods that they used to collect water. The Harrison Square scene shows right here what the downtown area looked like in the late 19th century. And then the Buffalo River scene with the elk represents the historical Ponca-Boxley area. And the train scene represents the M&N Railroad. I hope you've enjoyed this Wandering Walks of Wonder tour in downtown historic Harrison, Arkansas. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next walking tour. Bye now.